So let us start our what for today. Today we're gonna discuss the feed forward control, inshallah. Feed forward. Feed forward control. So what is feed forward control, Shabab? Somebody has any idea? Somebody can guess what is feed forward control? Yes, Shabab. Somebody has any idea feed forward control? We know the feed backward control, right? That was until now whatever we discussed, that was feed backward. Some brother are writing this lecture is with us in the final. Yes, until today everything whatever we discussed, that is inshallah in the final. Yes, Shabab. So what is feed backward? And if we compare with the feed backward, what is feed forward? Any brother has any idea, Shabab? Yes, Shabab. Brothers are there? Shabab, you guys are there? A lot of people they are writing us. Shabab, please talk. Where are the talking brothers? There are 2-3 brothers, they were talking. Where they are? Yes, Shabab.
Yes, you teacher.
That's good. This brother is mashallah very good. No. So what is the feed forward control, Shabab? Before we go to the feed forward, what was the feed backward control? The error happens. Some error happens. Error mean what? The difference between process variable and set point. The error travels the whole loop. It goes to the controller, and then controller compares it with the set point and then give the output. And the output try to fix the error. Here it is a little different. So the feed forward, what it do? It measures the disturbances and then it depending upon the disturbances, it calculate the manipulated variable. Manipulated variable mean what? Output of the controller. So it measures the disturbance beforehand. All the possible disturbances until today we calculate, and then we calculate their outputs. For those disturbances, whatever output is required, we calculate them and put in the system. And now the system is theoretically error free, disturbance free. So mathematically, if we see, so what we do, Number one, theoretically possible to have perfect control. That is, error is zero. No error. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, with you.
And that's good. Lot of brothers are writing us, but with this talk, Shabab, please talk. Quiet is not good. Number two. Now to attain this thing, what we want? We need to make an accurate model. Accurate model. We need an accurate model of the process this model has what? This model has number one, all possible disturbances, and second thing, what does it have? It will calculate the output of the controller for all these disturbances, and we will put the output already there. So all the disturbances must be measured and compensated. So what does it mean, Shabab? Imagine we have until today, we have 100 known disturbances for some system. Right, Shabab? So what we do, for each disturbance, we calculate the output of the controller and we put already in the system, in the process. So whenever any of these disturbances will happen, as soon as it happens, the output is already there. So the system does not need to calculate the output. It will give the output right away, even without doing anything. So already the input there, as soon as the disturbance happen, the output is already there and it will get applied and the disturbance will be removed. So how is the block diagram of the feed forward? Like this.
Yeah. Sishan.
Set point is there, controller is there, process is there. This is the disturbance is coming. Use the disturbance. So this is feed-forward control. So what we do, we measure other disturbances. It can be from 0, 1, 2 to 99. For these disturbances, we calculate all the compensations, all the solutions, right, Shabab? We put them in the controller already, and then as soon as any of this disturbance happens, the controller will apply the corrective action. Can somebody give me some example of the feed-forward control in our daily life? Yes, Shabab. Somebody can give the example for the feed-forward control in our daily life? Shabab there?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Please give me the example of the feed-forward in our daily life. G1 is the process. G2 is the function for the disturbance. This is the transfer function for the disturbance. This for the process. Yes, Shabab. Now, for example, in feedback control, what happens? First, we create the error, then we bring the solution. Shabab with me? First, the error happen for the level control, for the temperature control. First, the error happens, then we bring the solution. Do we drive the car feedback or feed forward? Yes, our car driving is feed forward or feed backward?
Feedback.
How? Can you please tell? Some brother they are writing feed forward. Yes, Shabab, how it is feed forward? Tell me please, how it is feed forward? In the feed backward, what happens, Shabab? We have controller, we have set point here, then we have process or final control element we can put here, then we have process, output of the process, PV, we take feedback, measurement, and we bring PV to the controller. Now first error happens, PV, there is an error, we bring it here, it will calculate the error, minus this plus, and then it will operate the final control element, right? So our driving is feedback or feed forward. Do we brake after we hit the tree? After we hit something we brake, or we brake beforehand?
Before.
Yes, Shabab.
Before it happened.
Before. So even before something happens, even as soon as we feel the next car to me is stopping, we push the brake. The next car to me is getting slowed down, we push the brake. So this is not feed backward, this is feed forward. Even before error happens, even before something happens, just with the disturbance, we apply the brake. Right, Shabab? Everybody has the ABS brake in their car, right, Shabab?
Right.
So how
Yes,
many
teacher,
brothers
yes.
have seen the ABS brake? Lot of brothers are writing yes. How many brothers
Yes.
have seen the ABS brake? Somebody has seen it?
Yes, I watch, but
ABS brake, Shabab.
yes, I see, teacher. I saw.
You are lucky man. I pray nobody see it. So the bottom line, Alhamdulillah, 99.99% people they have not seen it, but it is there. So it is feed forward or feed backward.
Feedback, teacher.
It is feed forward. It is already there. You never ever gonna see it. You never do the mistake. You never create the error, but it is still there. So it is feed forward or feed backward.
Feed, teacher. Feed forward, teacher.
Feed forward. How we buy the food? According to feed backward, first we should finish the food. When we finish the food, then we feel hungry. Then we should go and buy the new food. Do we like that?
Mm, I think so, teacher.
No. We
We
buy the
feel
food already. We
we
cook
feel
the food
hungry and
already. You
we feel
start cooking at home what time? After you feel hungry or 2 hours before you cook?
2 hours, teacher. 2 hours
So
before
we
I have.
cook already. We buy the food from Panda, wherever you buy. We already buy it. Then we cook it beforehand before we feel hungry. So as soon as we feel hungry, the food is already there. Right,
Yes,
Shabab? So
yes,
all these things are feed forward. Before we do the error, before we do any mistake, we already have the things in our hand. Right?
like ABS brake, teacher.
Like ABS brake, even normal brake. Even normal brake you apply after you do the error or before the error.
Yes, teacher. Before the error, when I get
Before
close,
the error.
before the
As soon as we feel car next to me is slowing down, we apply the brake. Just with the disturbance, we apply the brake. So
yes,
that's what is the feed forward. If you wait, first you hit, error happens, then you apply the brake, then it is feedback.
yes,
Shabab with me?
yes, with you, teacher.
So the bottom line, this is the feedback. The something we are measuring here, we calculate the error, then error go to fix the you can say travel the whole loop, then it try to fix. What happens in feed forward? As soon as some disturbance happens, we already know in this system, for example, in this system, 100 disturbances are there, possible until today. What we do,
Yeah, huh.
we calculate their output already. Their compensation, we already calculated. And we put in the controller. We put in the controller M0 to 99. We put already in the controller. Right, Shabam? We already
Yes,
put that in the controller. So as soon as the disturbance going to start happen, before even it start, the output will be there and it will get applied. The same way, Nauzubillah, as soon as your car need ABS brake, it is already there. As soon as your car need it, it will get applied. Shabab with me?
teacher.
Yes.
Can you say like safety switch?
Which switch?
Safety switch.
Yeah, kind of. Yes. Not. It is already there. So whenever you need, you apply it. True or false?
True, teacher.
So
Again, I can't
these
hear you, teacher.
all. Sorry.
Teacher, I
Yes.
can't hear you.
Who cannot
No,
hear
I hear you,
me?
teacher.
So no, it is fine.
Yes, it's fine now.
Okay, okay, no problem. Sometimes the internet is shaking today, Shabab. So please try to understand because some brother was writing, fix the camera. Inshallah, camera is fine, but the internet is shaking. I don't know why. So, but Alhamdulillah, all our lectures were smooth. So now today, inshallah, we'll make, try our best to make it smooth, inshallah. So the bottom line is what, Shabab? We know in this system, for example, our car, until today, 10 disturbances are there. For those 10 disturbances, we calculate the output, compensation like ABS brake, hand brake, this, that. We already put in the system. Maybe you never need it. Maybe you never use it, but it is there. As soon as some disturbance will happen, the output will get activation. Right, Shabab?
Like airbag, teacher.
Like airbag. Very good example, yes. Like lot of other things, So it is there. How many people have seen the airbag, Shabab, in the car? Somebody has seen the airbags?
Yes, I had
Alhamdulillah,
seen.
no.
I had seen.
Huh?
That is not my car.
But it was not activated.
Yeah.
To see when it activated, when you hit some person and it got activated. Not just to see, you open the box and see them. No. When you see operating them, so Alhamdulillah, nobody saw them. But they are there. They are there. So whenever, Nauzubillah, whenever they are needed, they will come up and they will activate. Right, Shabab? So this is a kind of feed-forward system. Now, we have this, feed-forward system. So how to calculate the compensation? How to calculate it? What is the way to calculate the compensation, Shabab? The disturbance is coming. This is the disturbance. So how we calculate the compensation? So as soon as some disturbance happens, it crosses the effect of the disturbance. And we put those compensations already in the controller. How to calculate them? So we make a box here, feed forward box, that we need to calculate how much it should be. And we will bring it here. So this is also plus, this is also plus. So this will we calculate how much it should be to compensate the things. The disturbance is going to happen. So how to calculate it? Yes, Shabab, how to calculate it? So the disturbance is coming. Here, Shabab, I am drawing this part. This part I am drawing again, just to make it easy. U is coming, Shabab. Then G2 is there. With U, G2 is there. And it is coming here. From this side, again, U is going. And we have here feed forward. Thus we want to calculate FF. Thus we want to calculate how much. And it is coming here. This is also plus, this is also plus. And this is our total output. Thus this output, what we want, Shabab? This output, what we want? The effect of this disturbance, we want what? Yes, Shabab? 0. That is the effect of the disturbance on the system. So this output we want 0. Shabab, with me? The brother Ali is asking why. When that some disturbance is there, this disturbance is there. So what do you want? You don't want to make it 0, its effect. You want to make it 0 or not? Please tell me. All of a sudden you have to push the brake. So this effect you want to make it 0 or not? If you don't have the brake, what you will do? So there is some disturbance. All of a sudden one car came in front of you and you are at 120 km/h. All of a sudden one car in front of you. So you have to apply the brake. If this brake is not there, what you will do? So some disturbance, they use the disturbance. it is coming, we push the control brake and we nullify it. So this thing here, we want to make a zero effect of this disturbance. So what should be this? This is G2 is what? G2 is the disturbance, and this is the factor we are calculating. And here we forgot one thing to put, our process. G1, see here. From FF, G1 and here. This is the thing. G1. Now how much is, what is here, Shabab? G2 U. G2 multiplied by U. What is here? U into FF into G1. So U, G1, FF. FF is one thing. Feed forward. That's what we are finding. The G2 and U. So altogether, how much is here? What is here, Shabab? X is equal to what?
G2 U.
U plus
Yes.
G1 FF U. It should be equal to what? 0. So 0 is there, U is common, G2 plus G1 FF. Feed forward. U is what, Shabab? What is U?
Disturbance.
Disturbance. So disturbance cannot be 0. It is gonna be there. So if distance multiply something is 0, what does it mean? This thing is 0. This thing is 0. So G2 plus G1 FF is 0. So how much is FF? G2 over G1 minus. G2 is what, Shabab? What is G2? The function, the transfer function for the disturbance divided by G1. What is G1? Process. So if we divide them, we will get the compensation. So here, how much we will add here? FF, how much above? FF is equal to what now? Minus
G2.
G2 over G1
Yes.
over G1. Shabab with me?
Yes, yes, with you.
Teacher. Again, teacher, you, what is the meaning of you, teacher?
Sorry?
You, what it is mean, what is the mean you?
U is a disturbance. Disturbance, D-I-S-T, B-U-R-A-N-C-E, disturbance.
Anything, any mistake happen is you.
Any disturbance, you all of a sudden somebody come in front of you, all of a sudden red signal come, anything, that is disturbance, that is disturbing in your process. All of a sudden you close the valve, for example, there is a level process, flow process, you close the valve, you know, like this. If it is a temperature process, all of a sudden you open the door of your room, so the temperature increases, you know, like this. Any disturbance?
Okay.
Any question up here, Shabab?
Thanks.
Teacher,
Yes,
we
please.
can say feed forward is for emergency.
Emergency brake is also there, you know. Emergency is like disturbance always, you know.
Okay.
Emergency is included in disturbance. That's why you already have the handbrake, right?
Right.
That's always you have the emergency switch to off the machine, right?
Right, right.
That's why you always have the emergency door.
Okay.
Right, Shabab?
Yes, yes, right.
So all these things are like fit for, maybe you never ever need the emergency door, inshallah. You never ever need the emergency door, inshallah, right? But you have it.
Yes, of course.
Maybe you never ever, inshallah, need the fire alarm, right? But you have it.
Yes.
So all these things are example of like feed forward. You already bring them. Even inshallah, they're never going to be needed. But you bring them, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to have a question for you guys. This is a perfect system now. This is what? Perfect system. What is this, Shabab? Perfect system.
system.
Now, until today, how many disturbances we know in this system? 100. 0, 1, 2, up to 99. And we already put 100 solutions in it. How many solutions we already put?
100.
100. So this is a perfect system. Imagine this is a car or whatever you want, any process you can imagine. If it is perfect system, all the possible disturbances already have the compensations, then why the accident happens? What is the reason accident happens, Shabab? Once
Zero.
again, Shabab.
Zero, teacher.
It has, until today, it has how many known disturbances? 100. 0, 1, 2, 99. 100 known disturbances. For this 100 disturbances, we already put the output in the system. Now the system is what, Shabab? Perfect. Even then, why the accident happens?
Because there is more than 100 disturbance.
You say like this, a new disturbance come, whose solution is already not there. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Right.
Today we get a new disturbance, that is 100th disturbance. Before it was 100, now it is 101st disturbance. Right, Shabab? This disturbance does not have the solution. Know what to do? It will destroy the system, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So what is the solution, Shabab? Let the system go, or is there any solution?
Make another system, teacher.
No, this system is already, you're gonna sell it. You are Toyota Corolla, for example, you are Lexus, you are Honda, whatever company you are. So you already calculated 100 disturbances, you put their compensation, their solution in the system. Now today, when XYZ was driving it, another disturbance came that never ever came before. That is 101th disturbance. And there is no solution for this one. So what to do? Let the accident happen, or can we do something? Yes, brothers. Shabab, you are understanding my question or not?
Yes.
Brother Ali is saying external solution. What is that? Please tell us, what is external solution you mean?
Added feedback, teacher.
Very good. Very good. Feedback is very bad. It is very slow. It is blah, 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 blah. You know, it has a big time lag. But at the end, it is controlling. So it is better to have something than nothing. So what we do, we add the feedback here. What we do, Shabab? We will add the feedback here. So we will take from here measurement. What we say measurement H. H is what, Shabab? Measurement. We will take the measurement and we will take it here. Like this. Now what will happen? This is what, Shabab? Error detector. Now what will happen? If 100 disturbances are coming already known, we already know them. Those 100 disturbances are coming, feed forward will work. This block will work. If any new disturbance is coming, then this feedback will work. Shabab with me?
Yes,
Then
yes.
what happened? This feedback will work. So no, inshallah, the system, the process is safe. Once again, Shabab, once again, we already know 100 disturbances for this system, right? So what we do, we already calculate the compensation for those and put in the system. Okay. Now, if any new disturbance happens, any new thing come, then this feedback path will work. Yeah, it is slow, it is very lazy, ... But at the end it controls. We have seen in the lab already. maybe you need to wait some time, no problem, but it will do. It is better to be slow instead of nothing, right, Shabab? So it is better to have something instead of nothing. Any question up to here, Shabab? So this system, what we say feed forward, feed backward control scheme. Feed forward and feed backward both. Feed forward and feed backward, both are there. Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, brothers, any question, please ask. Yes, Shabab, please. Any question, please ask. Yes, Shabab. Please ask some question. Or minimum say no question.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you. It's, everything.
That's good. This brother is mashallah very good. He will get inshallah bonus marks, Minimum he is replying. Okay, Shabab. So now what happens in reality? What happens in reality? In reality, what we do, we calculate how many possible disturbances? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 possible disturbances for this system, right? We calculate their compensations. This is disturbance. This is their compensation. Okay. For disturbance number 0, the compensation is there, and how much money we spend? How many real we spend for this compensation? 5,000. For compensation 1, we give the disturbance 1, we give the output, and how much real we spend? For example, 6,000. And how many times this compensation, this disturbance come? How many times it comes? It comes maybe after 1 year. How much it is coming? It is coming every day. Every day. Then the disturbance number 2, we spend it 10,000 real. ABS brake, for example, right, Shabab? And when we need it, maybe after 10 years. So this way we make a chart, right, Shabab? And we see which disturbances are very necessary to put the compensation. So at the end we see disturbance number 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. These are very necessary. These are very necessary. They are coming often, every day they are coming. So what we do, we calculate output for them and put in the controller. What about these disturbances? What about these ones, Shabab? 2, 3, 7, 8. What about these? Feedback. Very good. Very good. Brother Ali is, mashallah, telling feedback. So because this disturbance is gonna be after very long time, or maybe never happen, or maybe their solution is very expensive, all these things. So we will, because we already have the feedback system here, already we introduce it, so it will be taken care by the feedback system, right, Shabab? So in reality it happens like that. So we already know there are 100 disturbances. Out of those 100, we bring 10, shortlist them. These are very necessary. Out of 10, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are extremely necessary. So we put their solution already there, and other disturbances we leave on the feedback system because we already put the feedback system there.
Like
Yeah.
safety, like teacher, for example, safety system for fire. Can I say?
Yes, yeah. We cannot cover everything in the system, but we cover major things, and other things we put for the feedback system, no problem. Because we already have the feedback system also there. Yeah, Shabab, any question up to here?
Thank you. For me, for everything is clear. For me.
So this is our feed forward system, Shabab. Now we're gonna do some examples, inshallah. This is our process, Shabab. Process we always say G. Process what we say, Shabab? G. And feedback what we say? H. So this is our process. This is our feedback. And here we put the error detector. And this is our set point. We say X. This is our PV. We say Y for the short to make it little easy. So how to find Y over X? What we need to find, Shabab? What we need to find? Y over X. So please find it. Get the first. What is Y over X, Shabab? This is simple mathematics. Please find it. Get the first. Somebody is trying, Shabab?
Trying, teacher.
That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing yes. That's good. Please try. Please. Just G plus H is not correct. No.
Not correct, teacher.
Just G plus H, no. Because some brother
G,
he shows G plus
GH plus H equal Y over X.
no. See here, Shabab.
1 minute, teacher. I will.
Okay, okay, no problem. Take your time. So one brother is showing just G by H. No, no, brother, no. Please think. Yeah, Shabab.
Teacher, can you see my solution in the camera?
You just tell me. Please tell me.
I write plus and minus between G plus H equal Y over X.
Any other brother, Shabab? Yeah, Shabab. Any other brother? Somebody is trying, Shabab, still?
I will write my solution, teacher. 1 minute.
Oh, you can show me, no problem. You show me. If you want to show me, please show me. Minus g plus h is equal by h. Maybe a little bit you need adjustment, you know. So let us solve together. Yes, brother, tell me. What is this A? How much is this A? A is equal to what?
HX.
H y. See, this is y. Here it is y. Right?
I know my mistake now.
Is it correct, Shabab?
Yes.
Okay. What is this E? E is equal to what?
GY.
E is equal to this E. X minus A. Is that correct?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
it's correct.
Okay. What is A? HY. So X minus HY is like this. Y is equal to what, Shabab? This Y. Y is equal to what? This Y. G into E. G, E. Right?
Yes. Yes.
That's good. Okay, put the value of E. G, X minus HY. Right?
Yes.
That's good. Lot of brothers they are saying yes. Okay, now bring it out. Gx minus GHY. Shubha with me?
Yes, teacher, with you.
This is also Y. This is also Y. Take the Y one side. Y plus GHY is equal to GX.
Take Y common factor.
So here take Y common factor.
Yes.
Right? So y over x is equal to g over 1 plus gh. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Shabab with me?
Yes, yes, right.
With you.
Any question up to here? Anything, any confusion, any wrong?
Thank you. I think it's clear.
Yes, brother. Lot of brothers are saying no. If you have, please ask. Yes, Shabab. Please ask. So y over x is equal to g over 1 plus gh. Right, Shabab?
Yes, teacher, right.
Okay, now if we have 2g here, this is G1 and then we have here G2. What will happen now? What will be the change here? Wherever G is G1, G2.
We have to.
G1, G2, 1 plus G1, G2H. They are multiplying with each other, right?
Yes.
Same here. If we have there 2, H1, H2, they're going to get multiplied. So wherever H is there, multiply it. Shubha with me?
Yes.
For example, it becomes here H1 and then we have H2. So what will happen here? H1
Replace H.
multiply H2. They are again multiplying. Shubha with me?
Yes, with you.
So this way we can solve whichever problem is given, we can solve. There is a problem 5.74 at page 33. At page 33, we have a problem, Shabab.
Okay.
Everybody is
Problem
there?
5.74.
Yes. It is already solved there. I already solved it there, master loop, slave loop. But it gonna, this is the basic idea. So if these are increasing, the G is increasing, you can add wherever the G is there, multiply it. If H is increasing, wherever H is there, multiply it. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Any
Teacher,
question up to here, Shabab? Please ask.
teacher, can you
Yes,
upload
please.
this page? Can you upload this
Sorry?
page? Can you
Sorry?
upload? Can you upload this page in Blackboard because it means it's clear.
This chapter you already have, chapter 5. You don't have?
In the book, teacher is not very clear. If you
No, it is
understand.
very clear in the book. I will upload, no problem, but it is clear. Maybe the photocopy is not clear with you. For me, see here. I will put in Shabab. Don't worry. Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome. Yeah, Shabab, any brother has any question?
No, thank you, teacher.
This is Shabab, our reactor. That's what we say, CSTR reactor. This is our reactor, right? Some feed is coming in it. This is feed, F1 is coming, right? We need also heat here. So steam is also coming, steam. Steam is coming, feed is coming, right, Shabab? And the steam, it is a jacketed reactor. It is not going into the reactor. Steam is not going. It has a jacket. So steam is coming in the jacket. Right, Shabab? So here we have steam. Shabab with me? Shabab with me?
Yes, with you.
with you. Yes, with you.
That's good. That's good. So here the condensate is going out. When this steam lose the heat, it gives the heat to the reactor. It will lose the heat and the condensate will go out from here. Now, here, this is the product outline. product out is going here, product is leaving from here. What we do, here we put a temperature indicator transmitter because we need to make sure here the temperature is correct. Then it will go to the temperature indicator controller. Here we have given the set point. This controller will give the signal to a ratio controller. Ratio controller like this. As a set point, we put a transmitter here. Flow indicator transmitter, the flow is good here. And it is sending signal to this controller as PV. Output of this controller we apply here to this valve. We need the more steam or not. I to P converter is there, coming here. Yes, Shabab. What type of control is this?
Cascade with feed forward and feedback.
Cascade.
Cascade control. Still, we didn't put the feed forward in it. It is written in the book, I know, but still it is not there. So it is cascade controller. So what we did, we are controlling the temperature here of the product with respect to this flow, right, Shabab? And the steam. We are controlling the temperature, so obviously steam is there. But if this flow is not there, do we need steam? Yes, Shabab? No. If flow is stopped, very good. Lot of brothers they are writing. If somehow the flow stops, we don't need this steam. So at the end, first what we see, we'll check the flow is there. First we check the temperature here. Then we see flow is there. Then we open and close the valve for the steam. Otherwise, we don't need. Right, Shabab? So can we put the PV, SP, M and signal flow to get the first?
Okay, teacher.
Yes.
Who wanna get the first, Shabab, please? Sure, somebody is trying.
Yes, I'm trying.
That's good. That's good. Brother Amin is saying he's trying. Okay. Okay. Brother Ali is trying. Okay.
Yes, teacher, I finished.
Yeah, please show me.
1 minute.
That's good. Please tell me your ID.
391.
You have any first before?
Yes, I have.
Tell me your ID, please.
391
Yes.
902 158.
Yes. 158. That's
Okay.
good. So see here, Shabab. Everybody please see here. What is this? Yeah, Shabab.
PV going up.
That's good. Going up. Here, what is this?
M, which is
M.
out.
Going this way. That's good. Here again, already written PV. This is M. Going this way. Okay, Shabab. Now, here which controller is the slowest controller? Which gonna have more disturbances? Which controller has more disturbances? Temperature one or flow one?
Temperature, teacher.
Temperature, how it gonna have more disturbances? It is just controlling seeing the temperature. Here it is flowing. Here something is moving. Right? So the ratio controller gonna have the more disturbances. So because of the flow, because the temperature is coming here, it is getting slow. Its time lag is increasing, right? So why don't we, instead of feedback, we make it feed forward? What we do? We make it feed forward. How we can make feed forward? Yes, Shabab. How we can make it feed forward? This one. We want to make the ratio controller feed forward. How come, Shabab? How we can make it feed forward?
We added the possible disturbance to ratio controller.
All the possible disturbances we already calculate, and we put all the compensation, possible compensation in the controller already. Right, Shabab?
Right.
So then it will become feed forward. And whenever some new disturbance is coming, then the feedback control is there. Feedback control is also there. Right? So it will work both ways. Here also the feedback is there. So we make it feed forward. All the possible disturbances we calculate. We put the compensation in the controller. Fine. When some new disturbance is coming, no problem. Feed backward also from here, everywhere it can get. So inshallah the system is safe. Shabab with me?
Yes, yes, with you.
Any question up to here, brother? Any question? Please ask. Yeah, Shabab. Please ask.
Teacher,
Yes, please.
where is I maybe I have I didn't with you فكرت. Where is the feedback here, teacher, in the system?
This is the feedback. This is the feedback. If you see the secondary controller, this is the feedback. If you see the primary controller, this is the feedback.
We have two feedback here.
For this controller, obviously this is cascade. In the
Yeah.
cascade, you always have two feedbacks. For one is for the primary controller, one is for the secondary controller. Because we are making the secondary controller, this one feed forward. So that's why for this controller, this is the feedback. So it is complete no feed forward, feed backward, both are there.
But teacher, in the feedback in cascade, we have feedback, but one of them without valve, teacher. What?
Yeah, no problem. This is the master controller. Master controller is always without valve, without final control element. The final control element with the secondary controller. This one.
Yes, I understand this.
See, because you are not revising, you are not seeing the definition. You remember the definition of cascade?
Yes, teacher, I remember the definition, but I have confusion with the feedback.
See here, what is the definition of the cascade? Tell me.
The system the system have to SB and
See the definition. Do you remember this definition?
yes, 4 wins, teacher.
Primary controller, PV is there, secondary controller, PV is there. So both have the PV, right?
Yes,
And secondary controller output is going where? To the final control element.
yes. Primary
Right.
will go to secondary.
Yeah.
But
Your
my question, teacher,
Yes,
the feedback system, teacher.
yes.
In the cascade, we have two systems,
In cascade, what
secondary
we
and
have?
primary. We have secondary and primary. Primary.
No, here we have just one controller master, one secondary. We don't have two
What?
secondaries.
Yes, one master, and the master without valve.
Sorry?
The master without valve. How can be
Yes,
feedback
always.
system?
Yeah, this is always, yes.
I understand. How can the master feedback without valve? This is my question, teacher.
What you are saying?
In the master, it doesn't have any valve in any
Yes.
system cascade. I understand.
Okay.
But in the feedback, should any system has valve or I think it is important valve for any system for
No. The feedback mean the measurement is there. The measurement. Feedback mean measurement is there. Feedback is not related with respect to the output of the controller. No. Valve is taking the output of the controller. Right? Measurement mean what? Feedback. See, the feedback is there. This is the feedback. This is the feedback. So we are putting that sensor there. That is sensing the value and giving to the controller. Same sensor here, sensing the value giving to the controller. This is feedback. Output of the controller going to the valve. Here, output of this controller is coming as set point to this controller. You got my point?
Yes, I get now.
Okay,
I understand.
that's good. Any other brother has any question? Some brother was writing the question when we were discussing. So please ask your question, please.
Yes, teacher. Teacher, could you show us, teacher, where is the feed forward, teacher? How it can work as feed forward?
Feed forward mean what? You just told me. What is feed forward?
It is certain or possible disturbance has its possible output.
That's it. So you are sitting on this system, for example, 6 months. You are the engineer for this system. In 6 months, you calculated, you find 100 disturbance in this system, right?
Yes.
For those 100 disturbance, you calculate the output, you find the compensation, you put in the controller already. Whenever disturbance number 1 come, do this. Whenever disturbance number 2 come, do this. Whenever disturbance number 50 come, do this. So all the compensation you put in the controller, right?
Yes, yes.
Now this controller become what?
Feed forward.
Feed forward. Now, if more than, you already have 100 disturbance. If new disturbance come, what will happen now?
Feed back will work.
Then this PV is already coming. This PV, see it is coming.
Yes.
Feedback is coming. Then it will work as a feedback controller. Right?
Yes, yes.
So both things are there.
Yes, yes, teacher. It's clear now. Thank you.
You are welcome. Any other brother, please ask.
Teacher,
Because it is- feed forward is always, feed forward, feed backward. Mix is always little, you more attention, need more attention. So please ask. If some brother has the question, please ask.
okay, thank you, teacher.
You are welcome. No problem, Shabab. If somebody is not asking the question today, no problem. You please revise. Whenever you have the question, please come. Before the final exam day, please come. No problem. Don't come on the final exam day. Lot of brothers, they get confused. So please come before, ask any question. No problem. You wanna have a special meeting online? We can arrange the meeting. Just send me the mail or ask brother Sajjad to send me the mail, or whoever wants. Please ask me. We can have online meeting. No problem. So whenever you brothers want, we can have online meeting. Or you wanna come and ask, no problem. When you are coming for the lab exam, you wanna come, no problem. Please come and ask the question. So this is the next example, Shabab, we have here. Lot of brother, I give this example in the lab to solve, and actually the solution is already there, right? Some brother, please read this problem, 5.7.7, Shabab, page 35, please read it. Yes, brother, please. Please read this problem.
Teacher,
Yes, please.
Yes, multiple
Sorry?
cascade control, right? 5.7.
Sorry? 5.7.7.
The
page
question is it
35.
5? Yes,
Page
even
35.
diagram shows the top portion.
Yes, please.
Yes, I am. Yeah. Reflux is used for the column to improve the separation efficiency, as the desired product stream must have a mass fraction of component C that is greater than 0.8.
So the component C should be greater than 0.8. Yes. Yes, brother, please.
At the top of the distillation column, the temperature is 200 Celsius.
Here 200 degrees centigrade. Yes.
Components A, B, and C, which are gases at the temperature, accumulate and flows out of the top of the distillation column through the total condenser.
This is condenser.
The total condenser cools the gas stream to 150 Celsius, causing A, B, and C to liquefy.
Here it becomes 150 degrees centigrade. Yes, please complete, please.
Yes, and V, the liquid mixture is collected in a distillate receiver.
This is distillate receiver.
Finally, the liquid stream exits the receiver and is either collected as a product or sent back to the column.
This is product. and this is going back to column.
A control valve is in place on the product stream to ensure that the necessary purity is attained.
Yes. So necessary purity, how
On
will
the
we get?
diagram,
Yes, please. Please complete it.
on the diagram, draw the necessary controllers and valves required to implement a cascade control for the existing stream. Also, describe the cascade control that you have implemented. The system can most effectively be controlled with a cascade scheme.
Yeah, that's thank you, brother. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're
Now,
welcome.
Shabab, what is going on? There are feed is coming in this distillation column. Feed is A plus B plus C something. Three things are mixed and coming in the distillation column. Right, Shabab? Here at the top, it has temperature 200 degrees centigrade. Then we apply the cooler or condenser, whatever you want to say. It brings the temperature to 150. Here they are gases. What they are here? Gases. So when they come here, they become liquid at 150 degrees centigrade. This cooling water is coming, water is out, that is separate. So here distillation receiver is there. Now if it is required product, it will go out. Required product mean what? We need C. How much we need C? .8, very good. We need 0.8. If C is 0.8, go out. If C is not 0.8, come back here. Right, Shabab? So how many things we need to take care? So what is the controller here? Here should be what? Check your book, Shabab. What is here? What is the here? Yes, Shabab. TIT here, with the production. What is with the production? CC. CC mean what? Concentration controller. We can say analyzer controller, concentration controller, no problem. So CIC, concentration indicator transmitter is there. If the controller is there, it means the transmitter is there. Then concentration indicator controller is there. We give it to set point. Shabab with me? Concentration indicator controller is there. It is sending signal where? It is sending signal. We put something here. What is this, Shabab? What type of controller is there? Here, what type of controller? Flow. What type? Flow controller. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me? So flow controller
Yes,
means
we
what? We have to put a flow transmitter there. Flow indicator transmitter here. Right, Shiva? This is the signal, or we can make it a little bigger so you can see it clear. This is our tank. Then the line is going like this. So here we put the flow indicator transmitter. That is sending signal to the flow indicator controller. And this controller sending signal to it. Then what happens, Shabab? Output of this controller is going where? It is going where, Shabab? What is here, Shabab? What we put here? At this line, what we put? Also flow here, also flow here. Both are flow. This one is temperature. This one is flow or temperature, Shabab? Temperature. Before you guys were saying it is flow. Actually, it is temperature. Here we are measuring the temperature. How much temperature should be there? How much temperature should be there, Shabab? 200 degrees centigrade. If it is more than that, no. So here we measure what? Temperature. Temperature indicator transmitted. That is sending signal to the temperature indicator controller. Once again check. It is temperature or flow. Yes, Shabab. This one is temperature or flow. Please check again. No, lot of brothers they are saying temperature. So please make sure it is temperature, not flow. Flow is here. No, what? Why we put the flow here? Because we're gonna control the valve. So here we put flow sensor, flow indicator transmitter is there. This is sending signal to the flow indicator controller. The valve is there. I2P converter is there. Like this. Now who gonna tell us the system, Shabab? Who will explain system to us? Yes, Shabab, who will explain system to us? Yes, brother. Explain system to us. Get the first. Yes, Shabab. Who wants first? So output of this controller is coming here. Output of this controller is going here. Yashiba, what is the system now? Nobody is saying correct this one. Nobody is saying remove this one. Cascade. How many masters?
How many master?
No, brother Ali is
One
telling
master, two
one-
slave.
Which one is the first
Two
slave?
Temperature.
Which one is
Slave,
the
teacher.
slave? Temperature indicator controller. Which one is the second slave?
Flow.
Second.
Flow indicator controller.
Flow.
Okay. Now what is the system? Check the concentration. Check the concentration. The C is 0.8. If it is 0.8, let it go. Let it go, no problem. If it is not 0.8, then check the temperature here. Then we don't need to open, check the flow, open this valve, take the product back. So if, how many things are in the product? A, B, C. They are gases. They are gases here, 200 degrees centigrade. We put a condenser or cooler there, it make them 150 degrees centigrade. See here, 150 degrees centigrade. We receive them in distillation receiver. Then what we do? If if the concentration of C is 0.8, or you can assume anything. You can say simple, if the concentration is correct, let it go out. There is a valve here again. If you see the diagram, there is a valve here. We are not controlling the valve. The valve is controlled by some other system. Go out. If the concentration is not correct, go back. Shubha with me?
Yes, with you.
Okay, one master, which master controller? Concentration indicator controller is the master. First slave, temperature indicator controller. Second slave, flow indicator controller. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, with you.
Yes,
Yes,
brother, no,
yes.
yes. No, in this chapter, Shabab, all the problems, they are given with the solutions. Whichever problem you will see the solution with that. And some of the solution we already solved. Some of the solution we already do. Because for this chapter, I am not asking you to submit the homework. Brother Ali, this is chapter 5. I am not asking you to submit the homework. But again, if you are not solving these examples, you can think by yourself. The final exam is coming next week. So, what is this, Shabab? This is what? PV, SPM, what?
PV,
PV. Upward or downward?
PV
downward,
Downward. What is this?
down.
output,
Output, M. What is
M.
this here?
set point,
Here it is what?
Left.
Set point. Very good. What is this?
PV,
PV. This way,
PV.
right or left?
left,
Left.
Left.
What is this?
output,
M. What is
Output.
this here?
M.
set point,
Set point. Very good. What is this?
CV.
PV,
PV. This is what?
PV.
output.
Output.
Output. M.
Once again, Shabab, in this chapter, all the questions, all the problems, starting from which page? The problems are starting from page 31, right? Up to page 41, up to page 41, all the problems are there. Solutions, with solutions. All the solutions are there. But take my suggestion, first you see the problem, then solve it. Then you compare with the solution. Don't see the solution beforehand. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, with you.
Any brother need any help? When you are coming for the lab exam, you can ask the question. You don't want to ask at that time, you can send me the mail. We can arrange a meeting like this. Whichever way you have any question, please ask. Shabab with me?
Yes, yes, with you.
Any brother has any question right now, Shabab?
Teacher, there will be class on next week, or it's just practical exam?
No class next week. Next week just exams.
Okay.
Any other brother has any question, Shabab? Any brother has any question, Shabab? Oh, a lot of brothers they are saying no. Okay, Shabab.